My name's Jonathan Гэлak and I am an athlete with a disability and I compete in the sport of triathlon. I've been in triathlon now for 4 years in the Australian high performance team and in the top 5 triathletes in the world out of the vision impaired. For me, when I go riding or running, when I'm training with my triathlon, it is really important to be able to have those sounds and understand or know where they're coming from. If I'm riding on the road, on my road bike, a place like Beach Road in Melbourne can be quite busy with cyclists and drivers. So to have that spatial awareness in my hearing aid, to know where they're coming from, even to know how far away the car is as well. Like a car could be 50 metres back or it could be 5 metres back. So to know that is quite important, especially when you're judging traffic conditions ahead. To know what's happening behind you is going to allow you to be riding safer or running safer than you would before. The sound quality and the sharpness of the ReSound hearing aids is a lot better quality than what I've had before. Tones in voices is a really big thing, and I can actually hear what's happening in front of me. It's something that I guess if you have hearing you take for granted, but then when you can actually hear something that you haven't heard, then it's enlightening and it's cool as well to be able to hear those things. So especially when you're 33, to be able to hear new things like that, it makes a big difference. The ReSound hearing aids also allow me to connect to my iPhone through the ReSound Smart app, and that actually allows me to do a few things like change the settings in my hearing aid on the go. So I can have settings like a bike setting that helps me hear better while I'm out on the road and filter certain sounds. I can also have phone calls streamed directly into my hearing aids, so I can answer the phone call and actually talk as if you had the phone up to your ear, but I don't need to have the phone directly in front of me to be able to do that. Traditionally I'd go in and see my audiologist to get some settings changed. Because I travel quite a lot with my triathlon, I'm overseas quite a lot, I'm racing domestically around Australia, I can't always get in to see my audiologist, so it would be quite handy to have the ability to connect with my hearing aids and my audiologist from anywhere in the world to have settings changed. ReSound are ahead of the game and they've got the best quality technology and the best quality sound, and I feel like now that I've got the best hearing that I could potentially have as a hearing impaired person, and ReSound are giving me that.